skyline of Macau is really being transformed. There's this transit rail right there, and then this is Macau over there, all the tall buildings and things like that. Venetian, a little way to get over to Taipa village and the Taipa residential area, all the skyscrapers over there. There's Parisian over there, and then we're gonna try to get a little closer to Galaxy. And this whole bridge is all new, so this wasn't here even a year ago, but now it is. Let's get across. Got a red light. So anyways, we're gonna come back and take a look at Galaxy. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Wow, it's so strange. Last time I was here, this wasn't there. That let's see, light rail transit. And this Galaxy is changing quite a bit as well. So that building is a new building, and then this one is relatively new as well. So I think this one just came up maybe a month ago, right there. And I think that one, I'm not sure exactly when, but and then this train line, there's a station right over here, and then this one goes between the Venetian right there, and then also the Galaxy right here as well. And this train also goes to Peikoke station, which is into Taipa, which is kind of the bars and restaurants and residential areas. So this is really transforming quite a bit, and you got some beautiful little walkways in here. But yeah, this building that we see right here wasn't here not even like about a month ago. It just kind of popped up, and I was really surprised. I saw it from a distance, and I thought it was like, there's a lot of buildings in China that we don't always they're not accessible if you're a foreigner. Anyways, if you're local Chinese, you can get over there anytime you want, but for foreigners it's quite hard, especially the COVID era. We're kind of locked into the city and unable to go anywhere, so not completely impossible, but it's not easy. So anyways, I thought that was like something in Zhuhai, China, from a great distance, and I was like, oh man, that looks like it's like right in the middle of the Galaxy Casino. Like, it just popped up, right? It was one day they were building it, and it was just, you know, kind of black and dark and nothing really there. And actually, for some reason tonight, it doesn't, like usually there's all these lights going around it and things like that, but it's not like that tonight. And then that whole wing is new. But I am kind of wondering, like, how do people navigate the Galaxy? You know, it's a little bit, it's so massive. And even when you're inside, it's a lot of walking just to get around just what little they had at the beginning, or what they had a lot actually at the beginning. So just getting around that was quite massive, quite difficult, quite a challenge. Okay, let's just give you a little tour. This is like a China something with the China government, and then over in the background is all these tall skyscraper buildings, and that's where a lot of people live, especially people who are connected to the casinos. Most often they'll live in Taipa, especially if their income is good, because it has the best proximity. Okay, so there's a new wing right there. So yeah, I could go. Man, that's interesting. I have been inside. I have brought the camera into Galaxy a few times as well, and I kind of wanted to show you guys this part though at the moment. Yeah, it's kind of funny because still a lot of construction, right? Trash and different things, cement stuff. Can I walk on that? So even though it's like right in the prominent area, still, but it's like kind of a mix of like beautiful stuff and then kind of construction everywhere stuff. Yeah, and actually this was all blocked before, so I think they're still building more stuff over that way as well. I see something called Galaxy ICC over there. Still see construction workers walking around, construction workers coming down this way. So they're still doing massive construction on that side. I can see cranes in the air, quite a few. Way in the distance is not the Cotai strip, like building some apartments and things like that. Marriott Hotel, Ritz-Carlton. So that's one entrance. Kind of debating if we should go in or not. Yeah, it's such a massive building. So just trying to, once you're at the property, we've been at the property already for how many minutes now? About 5 minutes, I guess. And haven't even got to the front door yet. So I don't know, we might come in through this way. I think we will. That's the East Square right there. Yeah, I guess we will. I guess we'll bring you inside as well. East Square. So that'll be our entrance, the East Square. And then usually I go to the right and I walk, but I think I might go to the left and just kind of see what we can see. Maybe we can go through some of this if it's possible. Depends. I'm kind of curious how it's laid out myself now. Okay, we'll be inside in a minute and then we'll take a look. Okay, we're inside the Galaxy. We have something called flying babies. I don't know what that is. It's 10 o'clock at night, by the way. So for people that don't know, Macau closes up pretty early. So yeah, even though there's lots of tourists, even now there's lots of tourists, I see suitcases everywhere. But there's still, all the restaurants close around 9, I think, sometimes 10 at the latest, depending on the restaurant. But I don't think any of them are open past 10. So that's why all these chairs are closed like that. And this is the only place to get drinks. So when you get food around here in the food court area, you have to come over here and get drinks. And that's closed as well. You can't even sit in this area. They put up the chairs so that nobody can even come up. That's the movie theater up there. KFC. Oh, this looks like it's going to be new. Grandma's Rosa's Portuguese tarts. 12 to 7. So that's when these things open, 12 to 7. So there's like kind of a limited time for a lot of these things. McDonald's is around the corner. This is probably the only one that's, oh, that's closed too. Wow. Okay. Even McDonald's is closed. Yeah, it's kind of lots of people down this way though. It's going to go down all the way down that way. There's still people with suitcases. But I think we'll go down this way, but that music is getting loud, so I have to try to... Okay. I turn off the camera. Usually I get stares when I have the camera, but sometimes when I don't have the camera I get stares too. I usually get more of them when I'm around mainland Chinese tourists. I don't get them so much from Macau people. They're used to foreigners, so... But around here, there's people that feel like they haven't seen foreigners. You know, they came to Macau first time out of China maybe, and they're kind of surprised to see the city Macau with a little bit of international elements to it. So we're gonna be walking down, and that music is not so good for the channel. Okay, there we go. Don't know what that is. So we're still strolling through. Those are tourists. They're visiting. Oh, that guy. That was a strong smell. I could smell his body odor. It hadn't that particular individual. I don't see that. I don't smell that very often, and I don't smell it with Macau people at all. But sometimes construction workers, I'll sometimes feel that. Okay, this is in the reception and the lobby. Phew. Okay, the music changed. Cafe de Perez. That's a nice place. I think we're gonna catch a diamond show as well, so you're in luck. Sorry, I don't mean to say bad things about that guy that walked by, because I'm sure there's a reason for it. Could be medical condition, all kinds of different stuff. Okay, anyways, so we got the diamond show. I think we might be catching the end of the show, but I remember before there was always a lot of people that were always in this area to watch this at all times. We'll see if it goes. Okay, so over here we got more tourists coming in with suitcases. Or maybe they're leaving. It is Sunday, so they might be leaving. But yeah, that's the entrance part. And this is our giant show. I don't really see, I think the show must have ended. Got a little goldfish in there, different things. Yeah, looks like we just missed it. There's casino grounds, so I have to be careful. The replica. Maybe we can see how this is all set up. There's a train station there. Giant swimming pool all the way in the middle. Okay, we're gonna head towards Promenade. This place looks really nice. Lugang Cafe, but looks like it's closed as well. Nagomi. This is a nice Japanese place. Yeah, everything closes. It's like 10 o'clock at night. It's really weird because when you're in Las Vegas, it's 24/7. Hong Kong is 24/7. Macau is kind of 24/7, but it's not that good. Not the casinos though. It's definitely not 24/7. I think the casinos probably are, but the other part's like, okay, you've got a casino, so I'm going to turn this off now. Okay, there's still a lot of walking to do, so I think I'm going to probably close the video. Maybe try to catch it later from the outside. I think it's going to look a little bit like this until I get out the exit anyways, but I got at least another 3-4 minutes walking at least. Okay, still moving along here, checking out some of the Versace, some of the cool things on display here. Music might affect my video, so be a little bit careful, but it's kind of cool. Versace stuff is kind of interesting. Okay. Definitely in the high-end area. Got all these expensive things. Max Mara 1951 does look kind of cool. We got some giraffes over here too. Interesting. Okay, try to get out of this. Looks like they're closing up. Hopefully I can find an exit. Okay. I think we're out. Gonna find an exit in a minute. Dior, Prada, casino, display. And we're gonna try to head on out. Looks like more stuff over there. Ritz-Carlton down that way. I think we can try to get out this way. So let's try it. Okay, so we exited out, and that's where we're just coming from. That entrance right there. Oops, so now we have to try to navigate the sidewalks. Construction over there, lots of construction over there. That whole thing is filled with construction. And over here we have Broadway straight ahead. So yeah, it's a Broadway casino, and there's some bars and restaurants over there. It's Sunday night about 10 o'clock. I don't think much is going on in there. Otherwise I'd go film. But at least you kind of got to see Galaxy. You got to see layout and the structure of it. I'm going to come back over here and try to film from a distance so you can put it into perspective a little bit. But yeah, that's the Broadway right there. And I guess we'll try to walk across here. Cars can come really quickly right in this space though, so be really careful. Oh, there we go. That's our Galaxy Casino. Well, looks like they got this giant walkway here, so I guess they're going to build it so that this is kind of continue into whatever the next wing of the casino is. Actually, I think this would have been better off if it would have been like, Venetian, Parisian, and London are kind of like 3 different casinos. They are 3 different casinos, but they're all the same management as far as I know. So I wonder if I think that might be something that's kind of hard for Galaxy maybe. It's got one theme only, but all the more like almost as much space as all those combined. So anyways, let's end it right there. It's the Galaxy. That's pretty cool. That's an even better view of got all these beautiful lights, and look at all those lights that go all the way up to the top like that. So that's really nice. So yeah, that's actually the best view that we have of Galaxy. So that might be the thumbnail actually. You got Broadway right over there as well. These are connected, so these are actually the same casino. So I guess what I said about the other one is not actually true. But yeah, that's beautiful. And you can also see the moon right there. There's a full moon right there as well. And that's that one new building, the one that we started with. So we basically walked all across to the other side like that. And over here, this is a China construction company. And then you can see this giant hole in the ground with some cranes, and there's lots of cranes everywhere in this whole area. So this is like one big massive construction site that goes all the way down to kind of out of sight from here. I'd have to walk down there a little ways and try to catch the end of it. But yeah, pretty massive properties, the Galaxies. And then right through here we have traffic kind of ripping through late at night. They really pick up speed as they go along. It's a nice kind of beautiful, serene kind of image to it, doesn't it? So, okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.
Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado da movidinha.